I actually posted the image, then I asked AI to turn this book to be on the table. Then the AI first wrote what this book is about. It told me the title and everything. So I can decide to click on edit, explain, or anything. The prompt was that turn this book to be on the table. Then it gave me this example. So it made the image to be on the table without changing any word. Right. So I also saw translate from here. So I just tap on translate. So it gave me this. Then it asked me that, okay, what language would I like this one to translate to? Then I said Hausa. Now it's actually gave me some words. I don't understand the Hausa language, but I guess it's correct. So I now said create the ebook in Hausa language by a Hausa man holding it, right? So that's when it gave me this, and it gave me this image. You can see super sharp quality, very sharp, like detailed. Then I don't know if this is actually correct. I need to cross check it, right? But as you can see here, it is not having the Gemini logo, and it's very sharp. Then I asked it to use the details to give me a Facebook ad image creative that sells the click. Then it gave me this result. So it gave me this result again.